Hello everybody, welcome to Nadia's Amani channel. So today we have a surprise.
Are you opening it?
Yes. Wow.
Yay! What's inside?
Cheese, yay! Now let's see what's inside. Now this part is the cooking part.
Wow.
So I'll do with that. No, you can do it as well. And you do it.
Is it a big kitchen?
Yes, yeah.
What colour is the kitchen?
Let me see. Blue. These are all the pieces.
Wow. Shall we build your kitchen?
We've done the big pieces. Now let's do the little pieces. Now I'm gonna put the hood on. Now I'm gonna put this hood on. There. Now I'm gonna put these three doors on. So now we're gonna put all these things, knives and forks, onto these hooks.
Yeah, well done. Yay.
So let's see what's in the oven. So we got some bread. So now let's wash our hands. Let's cook the egg. Now let's make a burger. So this is a burger bun. Here's the cheese. Let's get the plate and now the burger. Now I'm gonna warm the water. Yeah, that's your food. Here's your tea, money.